Hello, everyone. With you, Krivulya Andrew Charly. In this video, I'll show you how to draw hair masks in Ornatrix for 3ds Max into different ways. Please, if you want to support this channel, watch the video until the end because there is important information about this. So, after the HairFromGuides modifier, we add the Strand Length modifier. In this modifier, you will be able to select a channel and to methods of drawing it. This modifier provides two methods of drawing channels by vertices and by guides. Clicking the first button automatically opens all the tools for painting over vertices on the object's surface. The brush is automatically activated, so you can start painting in black right away. Keep in mind, however, that the only disadvantage of this method may be that the density of the grid of your object is not sufficient for this type of drawing. If the grid is dense enough, the quality of the masking will be high, especially if the boundaries between the colors are blurred. By creating such a mask, blurring its edges and applying it to a length, you get something like this. Furthermore, I would like to introduce a second method of creating a 3ds Max mask. This method allows you to draw a mask using guides. Before I draw the mask, I turn off the display of the guides so they won't be a distraction. So, we start drawing with white, and the result is the one shown. Now, to create a smooth transition from short to long hair, we will gradually reduce the brightness of the white color. If you wish, you can select white again and create longer hair in any area of your choice. If you like this video, don't forget to write about it in the comments, put a like and subscribe to the channel. And please watch this video until the end. Friends, if you need quality 3D hairstyle references, go to the 3D.SK website. The site has two categories: groom 3D scans and groom photos. There aren't many scans on the site, but there are enough hair photos to start making something for your character already. Just a reminder that you can become a channel sponsor and get a voiceover in another language, a collection of my references, and a 100% discount on all my assets. Just click the join button to do it. If this is your first time on this channel, then here you can learn all the tricks and secrets of 3D grooming in Ornatrix. Also, get your questions answered and get inspired by references from the games. Subscribe and write in the comments how long you do 3D and why you chose this field, what influenced this. If you like what I do, I would be very grateful for any donation to Donatello at the link in the description and channel header. Buying my models on CGTrader or Artstation, as well as the purchase of any of the plugins at the links in the attached commentary. What's in it for you? It's very simple. If enough money is collected per month, I will be able to devote my full time to creating lessons for you, not 3 hours a day, which, as you have already noticed, not enough for the fast release of new episodes. Also, don't forget to check out the YouTube community as I share there all kinds of news, uploading answers to questions, talking about the time spent on lessons, and so on. And, of course, don't forget about my Instagram, where I upload all my work and work in progress.